Oh, it's busted money time. Proudly presents the classical music masterpiece, the Anvil Chorus, with our special guest star, Plucky Duck. Well, Plucky, it's called the Anvil Chorus. But Plucky, you can't expect us to do the Anvil Chorus without anvils, can you? Oh, Lucky, will you please be more careful down there? Babs might have been hurt. Hmm. Now, and now, our big finale. The show is The show must go on. They love it, Suitcase. They want more. This concludes our classical portion of the show. Oh, and our show, that is. Say goodnight, Babs. So long.